In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to have two OneDrive accounts on one computer. Whether you're managing multiple personal accounts or need to handle separate work and personal files, having access to two accounts on a single computer can be a real game changer. Now, let's dive right into the steps to set this up seamlessly. First, let's start by looking at your system tray. You'll typically find this on the bottom right corner of your screen. Here, you should see the OneDrive Cloud icon. Give that a click. This icon is your gateway to managing your OneDrive settings, so make sure you can spot it easily. If you don't see it immediately, it might be hiding under the Show Hidden Icons arrow, so be sure to check there too. Next, you'll see a small window pop up. In this window, look for the gear icon, which is the settings icon, and click on it. This will open up a whole range of options for you to customize your OneDrive experience. Now that you're in the settings, look for the tab labeled Settings and select it. You'll be switching over to the Account tab shortly, but for now, just take a quick look around if you're not already familiar with these settings. Okay, now let's make our way over to the Account tab. You'll find this is a central hub for managing various OneDrive accounts on your device. What you're looking for here is the option that says Add an Account. Once you spot it, click on it to initiate the process of adding a second account. After clicking Add Account, you'll be prompted to sign into another account. Make sure you have the login credentials for the second OneDrive account ready. Enter your email and password as prompted. It's pretty straightforward, almost like signing into your email or any other online service. Once you've signed in, follow the on-screen steps to complete the setup. This will involve a few prompts guiding you through the process, ensuring your account is properly linked and good to go on your computer. Lastly, OneDrive will prompt you to set up the new OneDrive folder location. Choose a location on your computer where you'd like the files from your new account to be saved. It's advisable to keep the folder in a place where it's easily accessible but doesn't get mixed up with the existing OneDrive folder to avoid any confusion. And there you have it, you've successfully set up two OneDrive accounts on one computer. This simple setup will enable you to manage your files more effectively, navigating between accounts with ease. Thanks for watching, and don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions. Enjoy the flexibility and added productivity.